Here you can see I'm not using a normal Windows 11. This is Windows K2. Here the start menu is faster. If you just want to open an application, this will open in just lightning fast speed. The context menu is butter smooth, just like this. Right click on the taskbar is also buttery smooth, you can see. So now the question is how to install this Windows 11 K2 on a computer. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to download and install Windows 11 K2 on your computer. So Windows K2 is not a different version of Windows. Project K2 is a commitment towards the Windows 11 users from Microsoft that Windows gonna be more fluent, more accurate, with almost no bug. That will make Windows 11 more stable, more crisp, and more usable. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama, where we break tech things in such a way that really matters. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now you can see I'm on my Windows 10 PC. From the scratch, I'll download Windows 11 K2 and install. Just open your browser and search for download Windows Insider Preview ISO. Click on the first link. And here you just click on this icon and log in with your Microsoft account. Now when you're logged in, just scroll and here click on the drop down. And now select this one, experimental build 26300 storage. Always select the latest one. Here we're using Windows 11 26H2 Insider PUB build 26300 storage. We're using specially because it serves as the test bed for Project K2, Microsoft's massive internal initiative to fix Windows 11 performance and responsiveness. So if you want to test the initial features of Project K2, then you're gonna download this one. But before you download this one, make sure that you understand all the vulnerabilities that comes with this build. Since this build is still experimental, features that may break your system completely, sometimes features may not work. I always prefer not to install this build to your main computer. Always use a secondary PC to install this type of experimental build. Now just select and then click on confirm. And now you're gonna choose your language, of course English United States, and click on confirm. And now you just click on download and download will be started. It may take 15 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed. I've already downloaded, that's why I'm not downloading it, just closing the browser. And now just open the file explorer and go to download file. Here you see Windows 11 preview ISO file. Now what you're gonna do is you just create a USB pen drive using refresh. When your USB pen drive is ready, just restart your computer and boot from your USB drive. Since I'm using a virtual box to show you how to install, I'm just restarting my PC and booting from the ISO file. So now to restart my computer, I'm just pressing Shift key and clicking on restart. In the screen to boot from the USB drive, you just select use a drive. If you have inserted your USB pen drive, it will show here. Just select a pen drive. In my case, I'm using VirtualBox and using an ISO file. That's why I'm choosing this one. And now here, press any key. Now in this screen, select your install language and time currency format, and then click on next. As usual, select your keyboard layout and click on next. Click on I agree and select install Windows 11 and click on next. Since this tutorial is only for educational purpose, I'm clicking on I don't have a product key. Now in the screen, you just select your Windows version, whichever you want to install. I'm selecting Windows 11 Pro and click on next. Read all the terms and conditions and click on accept. Now since I have Windows 10 installed on my PC and I want a clean install, I'm deleting all the partitions. But if you want to install dual boot, then you're gonna select your drive and click on next and installation will be started. Since I want to go with clean installation, I'm deleting all the partition over here. It's finished. Now just select the drive and click next. Now here you see install Windows 11 Pro and keep nothing. Everything will be erased that I wanted and just click on install. The installation's been started. You're gonna wait here 10 to 15 minutes. During the installation, your PC may restart several times. Don't need to worry about. After every restart, your PC will be continuing the installation process. Now just set up your computer just like a new one. Create a computer pin. Congratulations, Windows 11 K2 has been successfully installed to your computer. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Lab, and turn notifications on for more Windows 11 updates, insider builds, and AI PC news. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.